So about 9 months ago, we bought a little MamaRoo for moms swing thing, and it's been having some issues, and we tried to YouTube it and Google it and couldn't find anything. Well, Tara decided to take it apart, and today we're going to show you how we fixed it. So if you have the same issue that we're having, hopefully this video will help you. So good luck.
And then after a while it stops, which means there's an obstruction from what it said. I'm gonna take it apart. Pop this up right here, and it's gonna sound like you break it, but you don't, and you just gotta pull on it. And we found right here there will be five screws, so you have to unscrew it right here, and you have to pop it up. And what I found was it snapped because it was so warped, but I found a belt which broke. But if you stretch it, you can see how it's worn down and whatnot. So that's what was causing the obstruction sign. And I just went to the hardware store and just got a regular O-ring. We're gonna see if that works. All right, I'm gonna take this off first, forgot about that. Okay. Awesome. Whoop. Stay on there now. This is where it's gonna get difficult. There's that.
That just sits in there?
Yep, and this keeps it on. So you put it back on. And it works.
So all you did was just change out that little O-ring with a...
I changed out the rubber band they had. That's a rubber band.
And you put a hair tie in it?
I did put a hair tie in it at first.
It works great.
But I went to... You can get them at any hardware store. It's an O-ring that you would use for like faucets. And I just bought one of those and replaced it instead of spending $29 on a new belt for it. So, but it works.